Wow. This is not even half of the orders what we need to ship out, but amazing. This constant support you guys give us through 5-3 Supply, it's just unreal. Because of you guys, we've been able to donate thousands of dollars to the people who need it. And it's amazing. We got a new drop coming pretty soon. Are you leaving? I am. All right, have fun. The quality is just unmatched, boys. Like that, look at that puff. Oh, that 5.3, that's just tight. Say bye, Victoria. Let me show you this shirt. Oversteer. Oversteer is what? Is fun. Coming out very soon, boys. Big shouts to PTP Turbo Blankets. They sent me a turbo blanket and some heat wrap for my exhaust manifold, which I'm super stoked about because it's gonna get hot. Big Power Evos like to burn the hood off if they can. These guys are actually really cool. They're based out of Austin, Texas, and all their stuff's made in North America. So if you guys need any heat management under your hood, PTP got you. They're really, really cool dudes. Today we're lowering Porsche Cayenne, and literally, let me tell you guys, this is gonna be the easiest lowering job you guys have even ever seen. So from factory, and I have it jacked up right now, but from factory, the Cayenne comes with air suspension. And what's awesome is you can raise the car and you can lower the car with just a click of a button. I'll show you guys in here. Let's get in here. While the car's on and oh my God, Victoria, you sit so close to the steering wheel. This little thing right here, from the click of a button, you can lower the car and raise the car just like that. That's all you gotta do. So you can't keep it in its lowest form driving. Before I tell you guys how to lower the car though, let me show you this real quick. Why do I have stickers on here? That's so dumb. I'm gonna show you guys the different modes real quick. Car's gotta be on. Oh baby. Oh yes sir. I'm gonna put it in the highest mode you can go to. Oh, that is nice. Nice lifted truck. So this is what the suspension looks like of most of the people that complain in my comment section telling me I'm not low enough or my builds suck. That is maximum height of the Cayenne. So if for whatever reason I need to crawl over a rock or there's a moose in the highway and I just gotta go yeet straight through it, that's what I gotta do. But let me show you guys what it looks like all the way lowered. Nobody cares about medium height. You guys do the math. I'm not gonna show you guys medium height. You can go all the way down, bro. Front is lowered. Now here comes the rear. Oh, baby. This is slammed. This is as low as it goes, but this is called loading mode. Loading mode, yeah. You can only do this when you're parked. You cannot drive like this. So what we want to do is we want to lower the car to about what this is, and the way you do that is actually extremely easy. Here is my new suspension, boys. Yeah, that's pretty wild, yeah? I'll show you guys here in a second. One of my subscribers actually pointed these out to me and told me I can order these links on eBay. And they were like 120 bucks. It was like 120 bucks. And what these do is they trick the stock air suspension into thinking that a lower height is the correct height. So you can still use the OEM height adjustment, but it just makes the car at all times think that lower is better, which we already know lower is better. I'd show you, but she's got to go use the Porsche right now to go pick up the dog from getting his haircut. Bye. God, that car's so sick. There you go. That's driving height. That's what it looked like. We need lower.
A few moments later.
Were you a bad boy for the groomers? Did you start biting their scissors and stuff like that? Did you start biting them? Hey. Yes. High five. That's my boy. That's my boy. First thing we're gonna do is see if we can get these little guys. Oh, good song. Get these guys under the Porsche. I don't know if it can actually support it. It's supposed to be able to support 5,000 pounds. And this thing's like 4,800, so cross our fingers. Oh man, so these quick jacks are not long enough to get under to reach both this and that over there. Darn it! There's this little link up there, and that basically is what we got to replace. I'm glad Victoria pointed this out. There it is, and I don't have to lay my butt on the ground. And there we go. Got a nice little stand for my light, baby. So that's the little place. That's the little piece we got to reinstall. That'll tell the car to go lower. Let's lower this car. There we go. So there's that little link, and here is the new one. There you go, it's your car. You get to mod it.
Okay.
Now these little guys have to go in, or on this the little link, the little ball that we pulled off of. And it turns out the longer these are, the lower the car's gonna be. Geometry is pretty cool. While she's working on that side, I'm gonna go ahead and get these pulled off. It pulls off fairly easily. You just gotta have either a flathead screwdriver, some ugga. You just gotta ugga it off there. That's all you gotta do. That's so crazy. That's so crazy that literally all you gotta do to lower a car is that. Why can't every car be that easy? This is the future. Alright, just push it on. It should pop right on.
I don't know if I can.
It should just pops right on. It's fine. You got it. Just give it a nice little teeny ugga, and then it should go on. The car was at regular, our lowered height, but now it's obviously, look at that.
So high.
It's gonna be much higher. It's gonna adjust itself and equalize, and it's gonna go back down way lower. So we found the other ones. Victoria says it's right. Where? Here? What? And boom. There she is, boys. Good?
All good?
Sweet.
Let's lower this baby down.
Got one more jack stand in here. Ready to see how lowered she got?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, look. Okay, so right now, it's actually lowering itself. I can hear the suspension. The back is going down.
Okay.
Oh my god. I think we're in like lowering mode. But this might be like normal mode. There's no, this is lowered. I want you guys to see the full effect, and I want to play around with it first, but I think this is lowered. Oh my god. Oh, that's a nice exhaust. Is it not even in the lowest mode?
No.
Oh my god. Put it in, okay. Put it into loading mode. This car has less wheel gap than... Are ready to see this? Boom. Boom. Car's still trying to figure it out, but baby, look at this. It's like, all I did was change the links, and that is driving height, boys. Oh my god. Let me show you guys the rolling clip what we showed you whenever she was leaving. So that was the regular riding height. This is now normal ride height. And just to let you guys know, we actually have wheels coming for this. Anticipating wheels for a good month or so. So that's actually ride height. That's serious, that's actual drive height. That is so insane. That's ride height. That is ride height, babe. You're actually sitting like a little lower than my Lexus.
That's
Not like low, but like, okay, but like my Lexus is obviously like touching the ground because the front bumper, but in terms of wheel gap, like that front and this rear is about the same. This is gonna look so sick with some new wheels, with some wider wheels. Oh my gosh, dude. That's so tight, man. I dig it. I dig it so much. We're gonna do some, a little bit of rolling footage just to show you guys what it's like on the road, because she's gonna look so good. So have you noticed any difference in driving? Does it feel different at all?
It's a little bouncier.
So it's gonna, there's a little more load on the probably the rears is what we're feeling out of. But the nice thing is, it's gonna be the exact same thing. So if we wanna go to regular height again, it's like we're at the very lowest setting. So if we want it to be less bouncy, we want those bags to have less load on them. We just lift the car up. Like now, normal level reach, now we're at normal ride height. So now it's basically gonna drive like it was before when it was at the lowest setting. If we have like a road trip or something, we don't want to bounce, we can always do that. Now it actually feels a little bit better, but I'm actually go lowest level to look like a freaking race car. And I want to show you guys what it looks like. Oh my gosh, dude. That looks so good. It's just a little lower. Oh, that exhaust is so tight. Oh, the turnaround. Oh, that's nutty right there. It's a little lower. Oh, that's so sick, dude. Do a little turnaround. It looks good when it's turning. Oh, daddy. Give it to me nice right there. Oh, my camera just died, so I'm gonna have to vlog on my phone now. But dude, this looks so, hold on. Nobody's coming. This looks so good, dude. It actually looks really good on this. Boy! It looks good. We're definitely gonna have to do an alignment on it because it's a little bit lower, especially if we're gonna ride it like this. If you go up to normal height, it should be okay. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. Alignment is for sure, especially since I got new tires on the way. Oh, look how good it looks. Hold on, let me switch this around. So, that's good. God, that was such an easy mod. So easy. Should not have cost 120 bucks though. Porsche gang, Porsche life. Camera's still very dead, so I'm just gonna do this anyways. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the easiest mod I've done in a while. It was really nice compared to the Evo. Update on the Evo. It's gonna be done very soon. And I have a very amazing prize thing coming in the mail tomorrow that I can't leave home for because it's... Thank you again. Peace out. You already know what's up, and be victorious.